at Infosys. What really clinched it for Sikka vis-a-vis the other external candidates as well as the internal candidates?
I think we basically evaluated a very impressive set of candidates, and I think Dr. Sikka was outstanding. He was the kind of leader who we felt would really bring about transformational growth for Infosys. And I think he had the right attributes in terms of his rich experience in, leading a very, very important division at SAP. He was well respected. He had the kind of stature, he had the kind of profile that we were looking for. And I think his deep insights into what drives technology today and how it is shaping the world, and how Infosys can play a very large role in taking advantage and playing a leadership role in that, I think, is what we felt.
And was it also necessary for the founders to take a back seat to ensure that the new CEO has, complete freedom when it comes to operations, and it also sends across a message to the broader investors and shareholders that, the external candidate has complete independence in operations?
Well, you heard Mr. Murthy. Mr. Murthy was very keen that Dr. Sikka gets a free hand and he's able to lead and drive growth in a very in his own way. And I think it was already indicated that many of the founders had expressed their desire to now play a different role. So I think they were they wanted to actually step down, and I think they have very graciously done so, so that he can actually lead the way in his own way.
So finally, would you rate this process as a success, considering you all wrapped it up pretty quickly and you'll manage to get a candidate who's as high profile as Vishal Sikka?
Absolutely. I think this has been a very, very enriching experience for me personally. I think it certainly came to this very, very fruitful end because I think we chose an outstanding person to lead Infosys. I think the founders have done an excellent job leading the company to where it is today, and I'm sure Mr. Sikka will now lead it further to another level.
Finally, Kiran, does this mean Infosys will also see a transformation in the way it will get business? Because Sikka comes from a products background, a software background, regarded as a technology visionary.
I don't think we can, slot him into that kind of a slot. I think Dr. Sikka is someone who comes with a very, very multifaceted set of skills and capabilities, and I'm sure he will do what is necessary to really, put Infosys in a leadership position globally.
Right.